Of all of the global challenges that are faced in the 21st century, coastal megacities in South and Southeast Asia are under the greatest pressure. Land subsidence, extreme pollution, changing weather patterns, intensities of precipitation and storm systems, rising populations, the incredible trajectory of urbanization in the region, all of these things combined to produce a single question, which is, how do we allow the coastal megacities of Southeast Asia to survive the 21st century? Jakarta has the highest rate of urbanization in the world in the last 20 years. The city has grown explosively. We have approximately 28 million residents. Now, those residents in that metropolitan area are sitting within the greater watershed of the Ciliwung River. That all has to drain through Jakarta. In 2013-14 monsoon season, the precipitation was 50% greater than it was in the previous year. And in this year alone, 30% of the total area of Jakarta was, at least for some point, inundated. The danger of a series of cascading events that produce an ultimately unthinkable disaster as the result of a typhoon or a major coastal inundation at the same time as a severe storm system is a realistic threat. What can we do about that? One of the important things to understand is that Jakarta has one of the highest rates of social media usage. There are 28 million people in Jakarta who are all using a mobile phone. Sometimes two of them at the same time.
Cognicity is a suite of open source pieces of software that allow us to collect and to filter and to analyze social media information and then visualize those social media using maps. Cognicity connects to the Twitter API and listens for tweets which are inside Jakarta, which have keywords, messages in such as banjir or the word flood. And so you can see pockets of tweets appearing in real time on the map, which are telling you that flooding is happening in that location. And so when we ran the system tests at the tail of this monsoon period, we collected over 150,000 individual messages about banjir, about flooding, in that first 24-hour period. And what we showed is that we had 150,000 sensors, people with mobile phones on the ground reporting flooding, talking about flooding. So we've really proven the power of the system to harness the ambient information, the ambient social media, harness the power of those people having conversations to provide an information system and a decision support system for the flood management team here in Jakarta.